Today I'm going to drain the cooling out from the car. Let's do it. Okay, this is underneath the car. Here's the transmission on the passenger side. Right there, here's a drain plug. So you need to loosen the plug. See the drain plug? So you loosen it, put a pan underneath. Because here it's going to drip out everywhere. So it's draining out from the hole over there. Got a bucket collecting all this coolant. I'm going to the top here to loosen the cap. So it'll come out easier. Okay, just wait until all the coolant come out. Here what the coolant plug look like across. Okay, I got the Honda antifreeze to coolant, the type 2. This one is 50-50 pre-diluted. You don't have to dilute it, just add the whole thing into the reservoir. So you start adding coolant. Just one. So what I'm going to do next is turn on the AC, go to hot, make the fan turn on, so the thermostat will be running, open, and then you check the coolant. Now the car is at the operation temperature. The fan is running now. The steam is coming out from the reservoir, means the thermostat is open. So it's time to check the level. Car at operating temperature because there are a lot more air bubble. I check it. Now the level go down, so I'm adding more. Okay, now the level is good. Time to put the cap back. And that's it. That's how I change the coolant. Thanks for watching.